Hello friends, in this video I will show how to convert an Excel document into Word. So we can see we have this Excel document and you need to convert this Excel or you need to copy this Excel data into Microsoft Word. So press Ctrl A and copy on the Microsoft Word blank document or any existing blank document and Ctrl V. So you have this data here. You can edit and you can make changes. So this way you can convert. If some line is not appear properly, so layout and change the page size or make it a landscape like this. Select it and in table design, click on this layout and auto fit. So select auto fit window. Still not work. So select and auto fit content. Or make it small size like this. Another method, you can insert Excel worksheet, insert, then object, create from file, select link to file, browse, and select here your Excel worksheet and click on OK. Now wait for a few seconds. Now you can adjust the size. So this is the method you can copy Excel worksheet into Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.